May bago kaming EV, but this time, it is not for you. It is for your small business. Introducing the BAW CAF, your new electric hauler. The BAW CAF is powered by a 30 kilowatt motor and a 15.2 kilowatt hour battery. So this can go up to 140 kilometers in range and can top speed of up to 70 kilometers per hour. The overall length of the container of the BAW CAF is 212 cm. It is packed with a lot of storage space. Just look at this. So we have put two of our biggest electric motorcycles inside the BAW CAF. The BAW CAF has a maximum torque of 130 Newton meters and a maximum load of 500 to 600 kilograms. We have been using this BAW CAF for 3 days on a daily basis, and it worked for us. So if it worked for us, it can definitely work for you and your business.